Good day everyone. I'm Rodison Ramirez Vidal from DSIT FSM 2A. My topic is International Financial Institution. Here's a breakdown on their roles. Number 1. Financial resources. IFIs provides loans, grant and technical assistance to support economic development and address financial crisis. Number 2. Economic policy shaping. IFIs influence economic policies through conditionalities attached to loans and policy dialogue, promoting reform and stability. Number 3. Global cooperation. IFI establish international standards, facilitate knowledge sharing, and promote collaboration among member countries. Number 4. Addressing global challenges. IFIs focus on poverty reduction and tackling climate change through target funding and support for relevant projects. Thank you.